Hi, this is Best India Reviews. Quick, honest reviews to help you choose the right product every time. Let's begin.
In this video, we will share the best canister vacuum cleaner with Powerhead you can buy in India. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and support us for more helpful videos. We will start from the last pick and move up to the best one. Please check the video description for the product links and latest prices. We have analyzed and compared many canister vacuum cleaner with Powerhead and picked these top options for you based on our research and analysis. In this video, we have highlighted the key features and benefits of each canister vacuum cleaner with Powerhead, so you can easily compare them and choose the one that suits your needs. To know the product price details, please see the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Let's discuss the key things to consider when buying a canister vacuum cleaner with Powerhead. First, focus on the suction power and motor performance because these determine how effectively the vacuum cleans different surfaces. Next, check the quality of the Powerhead and whether it has adjustable height or brush settings to handle carpets and hard floors smoothly. Consider the filtration system, especially if you have allergies, as a HEPA filter can trap fine dust and allergens. Look for a lightweight and easy to maneuver design with a comfortable handle and long cord. Also, evaluate the noise level and included attachments like crevice tools or upholstery brushes for versatile cleaning. Finally, compare energy efficiency, warranty, and customer reviews to ensure long-term reliability. Choosing the right canister vacuum with Powerhead means better cleaning and convenience. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.